The leader of opposition Mukul Sangma in the State Assembly on Wednesday after visiting coal stock area at Klei Ranga Sangpung West Jaintia Hills district said that it cannot be ruled out the illegal mining of coal in the area. During the inspection, others present MLA Congress David Nongrum and Mohindro Rapsang. This was the second inspection by the opposition leader in less than a week. Last Friday, Sangma visited Nenkra coal stock area at East Garo Hills district.
This is ongoing process. You can see some of the lots are freshly dumped. But this report is of June 23rd. You don't see these coals which have been dumped here to have been dumped in the month of June. It is not. It's fresh. That means this 23rd June's report, by then probably it must have been just 10% of what is visible before us. It's a continuous process. That's why I have decided to come here. It's something like getting caught while in the act, getting caught in the act. The whole process of official work is on. As I have said, well scripted modus operandi. Now, is it the scripted modus operandi of this government to delay this auctioning of the 32 lakh metric ton which was submitted in its inventory before the Honorable Supreme Court? Delay, and engage in this kind of corrupt practice. There are two things that's happening. One is continuation of illegal mining. Another one is, in the name of this implementation of this scripted modus operandi of so-called auctioning the unclaimed coal, people are asking, this unclaimed coal, where is this unclaimed coal coming from? You have orders after order. It's not happening only in West Jaintia Hills or East Jaintia Hills. It's happening in West Khas Hills, happening in South Garo Hills. So that's why I'm saying this modus operandi, well scripted, is not by the district authorities. It is under the behest of some powerful people. This must be investigated. Unless legal mining starts early, the state is going to have serious problem. The state's resources depend on the limited tax which is realized from the state itself. This present government forget about releasing the royalty share to the respective autonomous district councils, resulting in autonomous district council not being able to pay their salaries to the employees. If you see the condition of the family members of the employees, I know as human, probably you won't be able to just keep quiet. Then another part, salary of the government employees. Are they paying full? Are they paying full? Deferment of payment. That means in Bengali they call it baki, credit. Now will they get away without paying the salary of the government employees? First month, second month, third month, 30%, 30%. 3 months में 90% होता है. In 3 months, 30% of the salary which is retained by the government in the name of deferment of their payment. So the accumulated lot, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, now how many months? How do they convince the people of the state that after 9 months they will have enough money to pay this credit? Now state is in such kind of situation. We are talking about district council not being able to pay salary. Is the state government being able to pay the salary? If they are not paying 30%, that means they are not being able to pay salary. It's a tip of iceberg. That means you are seeing warning signals. You are seeing warning signals as to what is going to happen to our state in the years to come. It's a very dangerous trend. It's unprecedented, never happened. That's why I have said that this government, the focus, the priority is not the state, is not the people. These activities speak, for themselves. The 4 people who are linked with coal mining. They want coal mining, legal coal mining. They were happy. Why haven't they completed the whole process of auctioning by Coal India Limited? I have to ask Coal India Limited also, and we will have to put pressure on Honorable NGT as well. Because so long you delay, these illegalities will go on. They're making mockery of the law. And it's questionable. Can the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, which was passed on the 3rd of July, can be kept hanging? Doesn't it amount to contempt of court? You have people having money in their hand. They start buying cars, they start buying vehicles, bikes, constructing houses, generates lots of revenue for the government. That's how the government has been realizing this substantial revenue from mining activities, and we have been able to have certain amount of progress. And that is the money we use to pay a salary to take care of our developmental needs as per the aspirations of the people.